Hello children, this is a new chapter, Algebraic Expressions. Welcome to the Maths class for learning algebraic expressions. What is algebraic expressions? The definition of algebraic expressions. Combination of variables and constant to make algebraic expression. See the example, 4x plus 5. 4x is a variable, 5 is a constant. So already I have told you the combination of variables and constant to make a algebraic expressions. Okay. Next, terms of an expression. So each expression is made up of terms. Okay, example 3y minus 9. See the example, 3y is the first term and minus 9 is a second term. I have told you, each expression is made up of terms. So that example I have given. Next, factors of a term. See the expression 5yz minus 7. So this is an expression. The factor of, so we have to write factor of this expression. The factor, first of all, we have to take one term, that is 5yz. Already we have seen before definition. The factor of 5yz is 5, y, z. So in that term, we have to separate it and write numeric and variable. So that is a factor of the term. So 5yz, the factor is 5, y, z, and the factor of minus 7 is minus 7. Okay. Here, the main thing is sign also should be included in the factor or term also. Next, coefficient. See the example here, 8y is there. Here the coefficient of y is 8. So near the y, whatever is there, that is the coefficient of y. Suppose if you are going to write the coefficient of 8, that is answer is y. Okay, next, like term. When terms have a same algebraic factor, that is called like terms. Okay, next, unlike term. When terms have a different algebraic factors, that is called unlike terms. I have given the example. If you see the example only, you will be know. Okay. Next topic, monomial. Monomial, an expression with only one term, that is called monomial. Mono means one. So one term should be in the expression, that is only one term should be, that is called monomial. So here I have given example. Next, binomial. Binomial, bi means two. So binomial, it contains two terms, that is called binomial. There for that also I have given example. Next, trinomial. Tri means three. Already we have learnt in the triangle and all. So tri means three. Contains three terms, expression which contain three terms, that is called trinomial. Next, polynomial. An expression with two or more terms, that is called polynomial. So if you see the example only, you will be know. Okay. Next, come to the exercise. Let us learn through exercise. Here they have given statement in the question. We have to write the expression. Okay. 1/2 of the sum of numbers x and y. So read the statement clearly. So easily you can write the expression. Okay. First, 1/2 of sum of numbers x and y. So sum of numbers x and y means x plus y. We have to write 1 half means half, 1 by 2. So half of x plus y. Okay. Next, 1/4 of the product of numbers p and q. See, 1/4 I have written 1 by 4 of the product means multiply. We have to do the multiply. So p multiply by q, pq we can write. So the expression is 1 by 4 pq. See the next question. Number 5 added to 3 times the product of numbers m and n. See, product of numbers, already before question we have seen product of numbers m and n. So m into n, otherwise mn we can write. That is 3 times, so 3mn. Next, number 5 added to. With the things, number 5 we have to add. So the expression will come 3mn plus 5. Okay. Next, sum of numbers a and b. Okay, that will come a plus b. Subtracted from their product. Subtracted from their product. So product means a into b. ab will come. So after the from, whatever is there, that should be considered a big number. So that you have to write first of all, then minus the bracket of a plus b. So like that you have product, first of all you have to write. Next, sum of numbers you have to subtract. So ab minus the bracket of a plus b. That is the expression. Next, we have to find out from the expression. What we have to find out? Terms and factors. Okay. In the tree diagram, we have to mention the terms and factors. See, here expression is x minus 3. So x is a one term, minus 3 is a another term. Already I have told you with a sign. So sign is very important when you are writing terms or factors also. So here in the expression two terms are there. One is x, another one is minus 3. Then factors, x only one term is there, so x only will come. Even minus 3 factor also minus 3 only will come. See the next question. Minus ab plus 2b squared minus 3a squared. Here see 3 terms are there. So terms when you are writing addition and subtraction only, we can count the term. Okay. So minus ab is a one term, 2b squared is a second term, minus 3a squared is a third term. So I have written 3 terms. Next, first term factor minus a and b. That is the factor of minus ab. Okay. So minus should write any one of the factor. Okay. Next, 2b squared. 2 and b squared 2 times you have to write because squared is there. So 2b and b is a factor of 2b squared. Like that. Minus 3a squared also we have to write. Minus 3a and a. So like that, next question also we have to write the terms and factors. See the next one. Here also we have to write the terms and factors, but in the tabular column. Okay. Here expressions are questions. They have given the expressions in the question. We have to write the terms and factors. Already I have explained to you. Minus 4x plus 5 is an expression. Here two terms are there. Minus 4x and 5. So minus 4x factors are minus 4 and x. 5 is a factor. So like that we have to write. Next, we have to write the coefficient. We have seen in the definitions, no, coefficient. So variable before number is there, no, that is the numerical coefficient that we have to write. Here they have given the expression. So see the first one, 3 minus 3t squared. Here terms we have to write. See the heading, other than constant. So here 3 is a constant. Constant means only number. Constant means only number. So that we should not consider. With the variable terms only we have to consider. Okay, here with the variable means alphabets. Okay, letters, that only we have to consider. So minus 3t squared we have to consider to write a coefficient of terms. Okay, so minus 3t squared is a term, t squared coefficient is minus 3. So like that, next expression, t square, t cube are there. Before t square, t cube, no number. So we have to consider as 1. So that coefficients will come 1. So like that we have to write. See the fourth question, 2 bracket of L plus B they have given. First of all we have to expand. 2L plus 2B. Then we will get two terms. From the two terms we have to write the coefficient. Okay. Thank you children.